This is the image from a handheld ear endoscope that costs only around $100. And this is the image from a professional medical endoscope used in clinics. Can you tell the difference? Today, I will directly compare the latest BeBird Ultra X handheld otoscope camera with the professional ENT endoscopy system commonly used by doctors, to see how close a $100 device can get to medical-grade image quality. Image quality comparison. Professional medical endoscope. Professional medical endoscopes use high-resolution sensors, cold light sources, and dedicated image processing systems. The image is extremely clear, with accurate color reproduction, making it ideal for clinical diagnosis. BeBird Handheld Otoscope Camera. What's surprising is that this handheld camera uses a 4K sensor combined with a macro lens and electronic image stabilization. When observing the ear canal, the image displayed on the smartphone is very sharp and detailed enough to clearly visualize impacted earwax. Ear canal walls. The eardrum. Mild inflammation. Image quality conclusion. In terms of clarity for earwax removal and ear canal visualization, this handheld camera achieves approximately 80 to 90% of the image quality of professional medical endoscopy systems, while costing only $150 to $180 the price. Lighting and stability. Professional medical endoscope, medical-grade LED illumination. Even and stable lighting. No image shaking. Fixed handle-mounted system. Suitable for long continuous operation without overheating. BeBird handheld camera. This device is equipped with a multi-LED ring light combined with a built-in gyroscope stabilization system. When rotating the hand, the image remains stable, similar to a gimbal effect. The video latency is almost zero, which is extremely important during earwax removal procedures. Each session of under 30 minutes works perfectly well, and after a short 5-minute break, the device can be used again. Practical usability. Professional medical endoscope requirements. External power supply. Separate monitor. Clinical environment. Price range. From several thousand to tens of thousands of US dollars. Main usage. Medical diagnosis. Advanced clinical treatments. Handheld camera. This handheld camera connects directly to a smartphone. You can use it at home, while traveling, on airplanes, or for checking children's ears. The device features a premium design. It is compact, about the size of a lipstick, making it easy to hold and operate with one hand. The travel-style case is lightweight and portable, perfect for carrying on the go. In hand, it feels solid and well-built. Included accessories. Ear cleaning tips. Sticky silicone tips. Sponge absorption tips. Tweezers. Depth-limiting safety tips. Included accessories. Safety. In terms of safety, the device includes soft silicone tips. Depth-limiting protective caps. Real-time visual guidance instead of blind. When used properly, the risk of ear canal injury is significantly lower than using cotton swabs. Cost comparison. A professional ENT endoscopy system typically costs between $5,000 and over $20,000 US. Meanwhile, this handheld camera costs only around $100 US, yet still offers 4K imaging, image stabilization, and real-time Wi-Fi transmission with virtually no delay. This is why the device is increasingly being adopted by family doctors, ear care technicians, and individual users. Professional conclusion. A handheld otoscope camera cannot fully replace professional medical equipment for complex clinical diagnoses. However, for purposes such as earwax removal, routine ear inspection, at-home ear canal monitoring, the image quality and operational performance of this device are more than sufficient. With a price of only around $100 US, yet offering 4K imaging, image stabilization, low latency, solid build quality, and a complete accessory ecosystem. This is currently one of the truly essential handheld otoscope cameras that every family should have to monitor and take care of their family's ear health.